Okay, if you have the Platinum or the Limited trim, maybe the King Ranch, I'm not really sure if it's on that one or not, but if you have the Platinum or Limited, you will have the Active Motion is what they call the seats, massage seats. So I'm going to show you how to use that. There's a couple ways to get to the massage seats settings, but you go to settings and then choose seats. And then here you can choose driver or passenger, and then you can press the massage button. And then here you can see it gives you a simulated little video of what's happening in your seat, and there's air pockets in the seat that will inflate and deflate to create that feeling of the going up the back and then around your seat cushion. There's a full recovery, there's a relaxed recovery, which goes across your seat and then from the top down. And you can feel it in the seat moving. If you just want the circular motion on the bottom, you can do that. You can change the intensity of how much pressure you feel. You can do upper rolling, lower rolling. You can do that, and you can change that, adjust that from the driver and passenger. So you can do that from this screen, but you can also do it from the side of your seat, and I will show you that real quick. Alright, so on the side of the seat, now this round dial here is going to control your active motion in your seat. So if you press the center button, it's going to enable it, and then you will see it will pop up on the screen and show you what it's currently doing. You can kind of hear it. I don't know if you can see anything moving there. But you can also adjust as you press up and down on this here. It will come up on the screen and show you what you're adjusting, up or down. So upper rolling, lower rolling, and it's just going through the choices on the screen as I press this button on the side here. Press down, then you get the circular, you get the full recovery. So you can adjust that. You can press the left or right on the dial down here and it will adjust the intensity of it. So you can do it all from the seat or from the console, the screen. So I don't know if you can see anything moving. It's doing the full recovery right now. My daughter really likes them over there. It's like one of her favorite features in the car. She's always trying to sneak up front and get her massage. But that, and then her other favorite feature is the cooled seats. Because in this model we have the heated and cooled seats, and let me tell you, the cooled seats are awesome. So that's how you use your massaging seats, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, more videos coming soon. Thanks.